Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see right here we've got all previously visited websites. So if you've got I would say kind of short list of visited websites, or if you want to just remove like 2 or 3 different items, then I highly recommend to simply find it and just tap on this X button right next to it. As you can see, you can remove it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, auto form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.